Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the 18th chapter of your English grammar book, and the topic is gerund and to infinitive. So, students, first of all, we have to know about gerund and infinitive. We have to know what is gerund and what is infinitive. So I have written the definition. Gerund. The gerund is formed by adding ing to the base form of a verb. It is used like a noun and it is also used as a subject or an object. Means when we add ing with the base form of the verb and it is used in place of subject or object, then it will be called gerund. Okay, see the example. Read. Read, it is the base form of the verb plus ing, that is reading. Meet plus ing, that is meeting. So these are the examples of gerund. Now see the uses. Walking is a good exercise. Ing. I have added ing with the base form of the verb and it has been used at subject. It has been used in the place of subject. So it is like a noun. Walking is a good exercise. Reading is a good habit. Walking and reading both are subject of a verb. See the second example. I enjoy swimming. Swimming. It has been used in place of object and it is working as a noun. So it is an object of a verb. So these are gerund. Walking, reading and swimming. These are the gerund in these sentences. Means when we, once more I am telling you that when we add ing with the base form of the verb and that ing form of the verb is used either in place of subject or in place of object and it is working as a noun, then it will be the gerund. Okay, now see what is infinitive. The infinitive is formed by using to before the base form of a verb. It is also used as the subject of a verb and as the object also. Okay, for example, to walk is a good exercise. When we write, when we add to before the base form of the verb and it is used in place of subject or in place of object, then it is known as an infinitive. To walk is a good exercise. I have decided to call you. To walk and to call, these both are infinitive in these sentences. Okay, now see some rules are here. The following verbs can have either a gerund or a to infinitive as an object. Attempt, fear, prefer, bear, hate, omit, begin, like, purpose, continue, intend, start, dislike, love and learn. These are the verbs and these verbs are followed either by the gerund or by infinitive. For example, he fears to speak or speaking in public. Means when we use fear, the verb fear, after fear we can use infinitive or gerund. We can use both here, either gerund or infinitive. So these are such verbs which are followed either by the gerund or by the infinitive. Okay, now see the second point. Some verbs are followed only by the gerund. They are, means these are the certain verbs and they are only followed by gerund. Admit, enjoy, miss, avoid, skip, finish. postpone, consider, practice, delay, help, risk, deny, mind, suggest, etc. See the example. She enjoys swimming. She enjoys swimming. Enjoys here means after enjoy, we will only use gerund, swimming, not to swim. Here, to swim will be incorrect. I delayed writing to him. Here, we cannot use to write. It will be incorrect. Okay? Now see the third point. Certain verbs take only to infinitive and they are appear, happen, promise, arrange, hope, prove, care, hurry, refuse, dare, manage, seem, decide, mean, undertake, fail, offer, wish, determine, pretend, etc. See the example. I failed to complete the work. Means when there will be these words, we will only use to infinitive. We will never use gerund. I failed to complete the work. Here we cannot use completing. He refused to give money. To give. It is what? An infinitive. To give is an infinitive, and here we can never use giving because it will be incorrect. The verb refuse will only be followed by an infinitive. Okay? Now see the fourth rule. Certain verbs are followed by an object plus to infinitive. Means there will be the verb, after verb there will be an object, and after object there will be an infinitive. And these verbs are advise, hate, request, allow, invite, remind, ask, like, teach, beg, order, tell, command, permit, tempt, compel, persuade, trouble, encourage, prefer, warn, expect, praise, force, recommend, wish, etc. Now see the example. The teacher ordered him to do his work. The doctor advised me to take the medicine twice a day. In the first example, ordered, it is a verb, and after that him, that is an object, and to do, that is infinitive. In second sentence, advised is main verb, me is an object, and to take is an adjective. To take is an infinitive. Means these are the verbs. Whenever they will be used, whenever these verbs will be used, they will be followed by an object plus infinitive. Means after these verbs, object plus infinitive both are compulsory. Okay? Now see the next point. To infinitive can be used after a number of adjectives to say how someone feels about something. The adjectives are pleased, surprised, shocked, glad, angry, ashamed, happy, sad, amazed, delighted, sorry, afraid, overjoyed, anxious, proud. Means these are the adjectives, and after these adjectives we use to infinitive. Now see the example. I am pleased to see you. Pleased, it is an adjective, and after that to see is an infinitive. My father was shocked to hear of his death. Shocked, it is an adjective, and after this adjective to hear is an infinitive. So after these adjectives, infinitive is compulsory. Now see the last point. The to infinitive is used to talk about purpose also. When we talk about purpose, we use to infinitive. For example, I went to the post office to post the letter. I went to the post office. Why I went there? The purpose was to post the letter. We went to the playground to play cricket. Why we went to the playground? The purpose was to play cricket. That's why we went to the playground. So, in case of purpose, we use to infinitive. Okay, students, this chapter is completed. I hope you all have understood very well, write all these rules in your notebook, and after that complete the exercise in your notebook also. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.